Okay, a quick video on how to make a snail cam. Open up a sketch, create sketch. Try to put it on the plane that involves the red and the green, this one here. And then we're going to do some construction circles. So in other words, they're going to be dotted lines. So we're going to come over here to the sketch palette and click on construction. And then we're going to make two circles. Now, you will be given a what's called a nominal dimension for this, a nominal diameter. And so yours is maybe a different size than what I'm going to make. I'm going to pick a nominal diameter that is, or a dimension I should say, that is not something you're going to get. That way you just can't, put in the same numbers. So let's say my nominal dimension is 4. So I'm going to make my first circle with a diameter of 4. And then I'll make a second circle that is half of that. So I could use, I'll bet you, DO, the first dimension, divided by 2. Should work, unless I use a 0 instead of an O. DO divided by 2? No, it doesn't like it. Let's go back and look for a second. What is this dimension? D1, sorry. So, my apologies, D1 divided by 2. Boom. Okay, then I'm going to do 3 construction lines. So click my line tool. And those lines are going to be, let's see, one's going to be here at the very top of the circle. Like so. Let's see, do I want it right or left? I think I actually want this one to be to the left. As long as it's horizontal, I don't care how long it is. Click. And then go up and click on your line tool again. And do another one to the right, starting right here. Once again, don't care how long it is, just make sure it's horizontal. And then I click on the line tool again and do a last one that is down here at the bottom of the circle and make it to the right as well, horizontally. There we go. Now we can click off the construction and hit escape to get out of the line tool. So I have these lines and circles set up just like this. Okay, now we're going to use let's make sure this, see how I have a tangent symbol here and a tangent symbol here, but I don't have one here? Let's make sure there is one. So I'm going to do tangent between this and this circle. There we go. All right, now we're going to go with an arc, 3-point arc. And we're going to start here at this point, and we're going to click once. And then we're going to go down and click on this point down here. And then we're going to move off. Now, the goal is to make that tangent to both of those other two lines, those two lines that we made. So what we can do is we can place it anywhere, just out in here somewhere, and click. And now go over to the tangent function with a tangent constraint and click on your arc and this line and your arc and this line. Let's see. That should be okay. Yeah, it's already been applied, so we should be good. There's our tangents to both of those. All right, now we're going to do it again. Arc, 3-point arc, and we're going to go from up here to down here. And once again, bring it over anywhere. Click, and then go to your tangent constraint. Click on that. And let's click on the arc we just made, this guy here. Make them tangent to each other. And we'll see if it'll let us do this. This tangent to this line. Alright. And I think, with one thing left, we go to our line tool. I'm not worried about the error message right now. I go to the line tool and drop a line from this point straight down to here, to this point. Notice as soon as I do that, I've created an enclosed shape. It looks like a little snail shell or whatever, and that's what we want. Last thing, a 1/4 inch hole. So a 1/4 inch circle right in the center. So move a little bit, 0.25 inches, enter, and then stop the sketch. Whoops, I opened up an email instead. Stop the sketch, and we're going to press pull this 0.25 inches as well. All right, and we've made a snail cam.